Not a big bounce back today for big tech companies. They are up, but they were way down yesterday. On your screens, big tech as it's performing right now. Mitchell Green is with us. He's back despite it all. He's with Lead Edge Capital. Of those stocks on the screen, those companies, we'll put them back up for you in a second.
Yeah.
The big techs, would you buy any of them?
Look, we own a little bit of Facebook. I think Facebook is really cheap. I think when people put stuff on Facebook, they know what's going on there. Look, I think all the big tech companies use data in all kinds of different ways. Do I think there's probably going to be some regulations? Yes. You typically make a lot of money in tech buying when everybody hates them and sell them to all the suckers when it's too high. Yeah, so I'd be a buyer of some of these things now.
At 156, you would buy Facebook.
I like Facebook.
Look, let me just inject my personal opinion for a second and see what you think. I
bet you have
just
one.
for a change.
I've always got an opinion. 80, maybe 90% of Facebook users are perfectly happy with the way things run.
Yeah.
Wonderful free service, hooks everybody all together, and they don't care if you sell your information so you get nice ads targeted at you. Am I right?
I agree with you. 100% agree.
Yeah.
It might be 98%, actually.
Really?
And by the way, what I love is the 2% decided they want, or some small percentage decided they wanted to leave Facebook. I saw some great quotes on Facebook with people saying, I'm leaving Facebook, but I'm going to Instagram. It's like, you do realize that Facebook also owns Instagram, right?
That's good. That's funny, actually. It's very funny. You're welcome back. Now, Spotify, it's going to begin trading at some point today, music streaming service. I don't think it started yet, but it will fairly soon, we think. Would you buy that?
It is Trump-proof.
Wait. Trump-proof.
It is
What does that
Trump-proof.
mean?
Look, I mean, so if you can argue that Facebook and Amazon and Google and all these things have been hit because of the risk of regulation, think about a company like Spotify. One, it operates in over 60 countries, so a huge amount of the business is not in the United States. Two, there are no antitrust, concerns like like people say there's other competition. Three, it's a European company. European data privacy laws are way stricter than the U.S. laws. And so it was built off of European data privacy laws. Trump-proof. I think it works.
I wonder how many people in our audience know that Spotify is a European company.
It's Swedish.
Swedish company, yeah.
How many people knew that? I bet very, very few people knew
I would guess very little.
But you didn't answer the question. I said, would you buy it? And you said, well, it's Trump-proof.
At the reference price of where it was initially listed at 132, we would be buyers. Of course, other prices, since we invested several years ago, are there prices that we would sell it at? Of course there are.
It's indicated to open, we understand, between 155 and 165.
Yes.
Make any difference?
I think that's probably where it's going to open.
American technology really rules the world, doesn't it? Even if Spotify is a Swedish company.
Yeah.
Look, the Chinese boys are big too, though. Think about the likes of like a Tencent or like an Alibaba. And the great thing in China is and Baidu. But the great thing in China is the Chinese love monopolies. They like to concentrate the power in a few because it's easier to manage them and things like that. Look, I mean, imagine there's no way that like a Tencent or Alibaba could go buy a Snapchat or Twitter. Like the U.S. government would never allow it in a million years. They could go buy Spotify because they're a European company. They're not regulated by the United States.
You know, you're an original thinker. Where you been all these years? You're all right. Mitchell, thank you very much.
Absolutely.
We'll see you again soon.